Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing names and checking legal conflicts. This avoids rework. Once you have 5-10 options, run each through a registrar search to confirm availability and price. Make sure to check trademarks and core social media handles so the brand is consistent. Create an account at one registrar and enable two-factor authentication now. Doing this early saves time during checkout. Also decide on your preferred TLD and acceptable alternates before moving forward. Next, compare registrars on fees, support, and management features to avoid surprises. Price today versus renewal can differ. Once you pick one, set Whois privacy and domain lock to protect ownership and prevent hijacking. Choose your registration term, 1 year for flexibility or multi-year for stability, and enable auto-renew to prevent accidental loss. Configure DNS basics in the registrar interface and collect name server details if you'll link hosting. Make sure verification emails don't get filtered to spam by checking your inbox. Complete the checkout using correct registrant contact info and billing. Mistakes here are hard to change later. After purchase, immediately set DNS records. Point a /a to your host, add MX for email, and create CNAME for services. Verify ownership in hosting or email platforms, then test the site and mail flow after DNS propagation. Finally, store credentials securely and set a calendar reminder for renewal. Troubleshooting tip: if DNS doesn't resolve within 48 hours, clear caches, recheck name servers, and confirm registrar settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.